Making Jiffy vintage popcorn on the stove. So we got the Jiffy popcorn. We unwrapped it. You know, read the instructions first. Definitely got to get that on point. So after we read the instructions, showed you guys, and then pop on the stove onto medium. It said about 4 to 5 minutes on the stove top. Very simple, basic instructions. So I placed it on top of the fire. It took a couple of minutes. My girl like hurry up, put it on there. It started sizzling. A little pops here and there.
4 to 7 minutes.
And then
Oh, you hear it?
while it's heating up, we're discussing about the instructions. So now this is the part where you have to shake, constantly shake over the fire so the popcorn won't get burnt. So we did it for like a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, you start hearing it sizzling.
It's great, but like
a little popping going on.
That's how he was doing it.
But the shaking was so fucking hard to do. Like you really had to shake. If you didn't
That's
shake,
a medium one.
I don't think the popcorn was gonna like pop that well. So
It's
you
a
see, I'm
circular back and forth
shaking
motion.
it, swirling it all around. I just say in my hand. My hands was getting kind of
You
tired.
just shake it very fast. Fast.
After we did after my girl got a shot, he's taking his turn. After me, she's about to do it. Okay. There we go. A little steam coming out of it. You see it? There she goes. She's shaking it much way better than me. I would have shaken it over there. She's in it. But you guys get the point.
You did it like that.
Approximately for 3 to 5 minutes to do this. And then it starts to rise. As you can see,
Just a little
the
bit.
movement is coming up in a few seconds.
Is there? Ooh. You wanna try?
As you can see here, she's shaking it around real crazy. And then you see it pop.
That's quick. Here.
Starts to explode. You can see me. I'm not even putting it
What's that?
It's popcorn.
It's pretty big. But after you shake it all out, the popcorn will stop.
Oh, look how it's coming.
All the kernels is really top.
Let's pop it open.
Place some in the bowl. Shake it for like 30 seconds after. It stopped popping completely.
That's it? Stop popping?
Yeah.
Wait, but why did it get so silver like that?
It did. Look at this.
Wow. Is it hot?
No.
Oh, yeah. It is. Nice. You want to pour it out? Or open it first? Here.
Look. Let me show you that. Look.
Pa, mira. Oh, decimos el, ¿cómo se llama? Here, try to open it. Sí, por aquí, I got it. Yep, there you go. Hey, let's not be like that video that's in the show.
Yeah.
Hold on. There we go. Mm-hmm, careful. No, it's popcorn. Wow, that's buttery.
It is. It's very hot, though.
Nice. It's good?
Yeah.
Nice. Really, really good. How much you rate it?
10. It tastes like the popcorn from the movies.
Oh, nice. Like the AMC? Nice. Good. Bye. Say bye.